I apologize if I'm a little rusty. I've been filming a YouTube video in forever. But hi guys. Did you miss me? If you don't, I completely get it. I wouldn't miss me either. But if you did, thank you. I love you, supporters. But guess what, guys? Today in the mail. You guys wouldn't believe what I got. And if you're in the mask community, or if you're a fan of the music, if you're in the mask community, then this logo is no stranger to you. Wow. Mike freaking Covert sent me a package, and it can only be greatness from here. I'm so excited. I'm deciding to do a whole video on just this because Mike Covert's the man, the guy, and he makes amazing masks. You can follow him at MCStudios on Instagram. I don't know if he has a website, but you can look at his mask. He posts his catalog if you're interested. Direct message him. He is amazing, and he does cool masks. So we're gonna open it up. I'm not gonna open it from here. If anything, I want to preserve this and put it on my laptop because this is so cool. I open her right up. So you guys are gonna get the first look. I'm so excited. So I kind of already knew what I was gonna get, but I just wanted to do like a video on its own because it's Mike freaking Covert, MCStudios, and like just anybody in the mask community that I'm friends with, I hype it. Anybody that is my friend or family that has a merch, I love it. Okay, let me see. Okay, bam, MCStudios merch. If you want to get yourself a shirt, message him. So this t-shirt is really nice quality. The print is nice. It's not gonna come off after one wash or multiple washes. You just know by the feeling. So this is a medium. I'm assuming it's a men's medium because I've gained some weight, but I'm not thickalicious. I'm not a BBW yet, but ooh, this would look cute as a dress. Okay, slay. I'm gonna try it on, but I just wanted to do a video on its own of this shirt. And here we also got stickers. MCStudios. I think this is such a sick logo, and I made this out of candy, out of perler beads. He gave me 2. These are gonna go on my laptop, on my desk. I love placing stickers everywhere. I don't know, I just think these stickers and this logo is so cool. But thank you so much, and yeah, check them out. Shirt looked a lot bigger, but I'm glad I went with a medium because look at how good this fits. So like, you know that when a shirt is gonna suck, but this one does not suck. This is actually nice. I'm gonna style it up. I'm gonna brush my hair, make it look cute. Yeah, this is the back. So I styled the shirt with a dangly belt and some purple fishnets and masks because that's the way to go, and it look cute. Okay, so I know that video was short, but if you like it, please go give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Wendy. I go by Cutehorror, dumbass, weird ass bitch, but also I go as Cutehorror. You can follow me for cool, unserious videos. I do collect masks. I am a mask collector, but not a serious one where I know every 3,000 detail about it. My brain couldn't possibly store that information because I literally won't be surprised if I get Alzheimer's by the time I'm 26. I just turned 25 and I forget things easily. But I feel like that's what makes me relate to the viewer, is that I'm not a historian as much as I wish. But yeah, there's other channels for that, but I'm just like a girl that likes to collect masks.